Hey guys, welcome back to Dardesha here, and today we're looking at this amazing graffiti. The Jamaican flag and the Scottish flag. There's even graffiti on the van. This one looks like a coffee cup. I feel like going to a cafe now. Let's go.
Drive over it.
We can drive it. Why not? It only costs £1 crossing the bridge. Oh wow, that's very nice. Okay. Vanilla, do you want to just try your luck and I grab one? Is it scary for you?
On that bridge. Don't look down.
Is it a bit too much to look down? Are you one of those people that can't take it? And off we go! We were very lucky to get photos while the sun was out.